Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a pick a card reading for you to see what blessings is Jupiter going to bless you with. Okay, Jupiter is moving direct tonight. Okay, and today being 19th, today he is moving direct. So with Jupiter moving direct, a lot of things which were stuck, which were not moving forward, which were not giving you a sense of fulfillment, are now going to flow. Okay, and Jupiter is a planet of expansion, he's a planet of luxury, of abundance, of comfort, of giving things a very positive outlook. Okay, and that is what Jupiter is. So with him moving direct, it would be interesting to see what is he blessings is he going to be bringing into your life. So today I have 3 piles for you to choose from. Okay, and you can pause the video, you can meditate, or you can take a deep breath, center yourself, and then whichever pile is calling out to you, you choose a pile. Okay, and it's possible that you may be attracted to more than one pile. You're free to watch that. Okay, so this is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Okay, so while you make your choices, I'll start with pile number 1. All right, pile number 1. Welcome. This is your reading. Let's see what Jupiter, excuse me, what blessings Jupiter has in store for you. Okay, so let's take the first card to see which archangel or which angel, which ascended master is here to guide you. And guess what? You've chosen Archangel Michael. He is an archangel that I work very closely with. Okay, so I'm so happy to see him being here. Now let me tell you, first and foremost, even before I read this card, it's the first blessing that Jupiter is bringing into your life is a lot of clarity. Where there was no clarity, where there was fogginess, where there was confusion, troubled waters, troubled thoughts, indecision, Archangel Michael is assuring you that the first message, the first blessing that Jupiter is going to bring as Jupiter moves direct tonight, and in the months and the days and in the months to follow, you'll see clarity coming back into your life. Also, strength and truth. Okay, so truth regarding situation, regarding a relationship, regarding a person, regarding your own thoughts, beliefs, actions. You're going to have clarity, you're going to face that truth. Okay, so that truth is going to be revealed to you. The reason why you felt stuck, the reason why you felt low, dissatisfied, Archangel Michael and Jupiter is going to clarify that for you. Okay, so he says, trusting heaven. Excuse me, you are safe. Angels stand close. Surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. Okay, this tells me, pile number 1, that there are going to be some miracles which are going to happen in your life. It will unfold, as I said, over the next few days, next few weeks, next few months. Okay, but an area of your life where you thought there is no better than this, okay, that nothing else can be better than this is all that I can expect from life. Guess what? A miracle, something that you didn't even expect is going to happen. You'll get clarity about how to take a decision, how to move forward, how exactly to bring harmony and peace and balance into your life. Wonderful way to begin. Yes, mind. Can you see the confusions in the mind? How this is 5 of Swords energies, about all that confusion in the mind, the overthinking, the over analyzing, and going into this deep pit about all the time thinking and thinking negative. Okay, so this is the energy that you will be coming out of, and that is exactly what Archangel Michael told you, that this Jupiter will be blessing you with a more ease in your life, as I said, because a lot of truth will be revealed to you regarding your situation, regarding your thoughts, which will help matters and which will bring you out of this overthinking energy. And let's look at your next card. Man holding a heart. Okay, so for some of you, the blessing that Jupiter is soon going to bring into your life is about a reciprocity in your love life, for whether you're married or you're in a relationship or you're single. Okay, so up till now you did not get that kind of or you felt you were not valued, or you owed, how should I say, you deserved much better love. Okay, so now Jupiter will be blessing you with an expansion of your heart, which welcomes for singles the true love of your life. Okay, so look forward to that. And for those who are already in a relationship, you will level up, your relationship will level up. Okay, you will fall more deeper in love with each other. Some of you may take the next step of moving in together, or getting engaged, or getting even married. Beautiful. And for others of you who are not looking for love related messages, the clarity that Archangel Michael and Jupiter will bring into your life is he will bring love into every situation and circumstance in your life, which will help your relationships better. Okay, which will help your partnerships better, which will help your harmony and balance and more love into each and every relationship, professional or personal. Okay, that's beautiful. And you've also got a card of prompting. Now this card is telling me that with the clarity that will come into you regarding this card, especially is regarding a friendship. Okay, so there has been some kind of a distance between a particular friend and you. Okay, and you do think about them, you do miss them, and you do want them in your life. You may have had some misunderstandings or whatever, but if you truly believe that you want this person back in your life, if the clarity that slowly unfolds into your life makes you feel that you should reach out to this person, please do. Okay, or in other words, it could also be that that person receives this clarity. Jupiter blesses that person with this clarity and with this wanting to reach out to you. Okay, so there seems to be a reunion between some friends, especially. For a few of you, this could also be an ex. If you wish that ex to come back, it's of course your decision. But if any of you want an ex to come back, an ex-boyfriend, girlfriend, or a spouse, there is a possibility that they may just reach out tentatively, and then it's up to you whether you wish to welcome them back, or whether you wish to keep the doors closed, or if you may want to reach out to somebody. Okay, it's very much possible. That's beautiful. So the blessings are coming in your thought process. It is helping you calm down all that negative high intensity thinking pattern. And because once you have the clarity, it becomes easier to make decisions. And for a lot of you, it's love coming into your life. It's a strengthening of love if you're already in a relationship, and a friendship that will go, that will get better, that will be healed soon. Let's look at your final card. And a time for healing, I just said. Healing a relationship, healing a friendship. So that is your most important another blessing that Jupiter will bring, is he will bring you healing in a situation, in a circumstance, in a relationship, in a friendship, in a family ship that you require. So lot of blessings coming forth for you. And with Archangel Michael standing here, if you work with him, fantastic. If not, you can listen to his guided meditations connecting you to Archangel Michael's energy. That will help you tremendously, pile number one. I hope these energies work out for you, and Jupiter blesses you with this and much more. I'll see you soon. Namaste. Okay, let me just clear these away, and we'll welcome pile number 2. Okay. All right. Namaste. Pile number 2. Welcome to you. Welcome to my channel and welcome to your reading. Let's see what blessings Jupiter is going to bring around for you. Remember that Jupiter is going direct today, so the energy will take a while to play out. So, but you can expect this energy anytime within a few days, weeks, or even months. Okay. So let's take your first card to see which archangel, angel, or an ascended master is here to guide you. Okay, pile number 2. You've drawn the Horus and Cosmic Gateway. Wow. Your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. Now, straight away, your main message is to expect big changes. Okay? And pile number 2, big changes are always very, very significant even if they are in one area, the ripple effect is in all the areas. Okay, so this is a big change that you can expect. And the second is that if you have been feeling low, if you've been feeling stuck, or in a stagnant kind of an energy with no growth, no future prospects, which brighter prospects appearing to you, guess what? Now you can expect a big unexpected miracle. Okay, beautiful. Pile number 2. Can you beat that? You've drawn the Sun card. This is the most abundant, most positive, most warm, most fulfilling and successful card. Wow, wow, wow. So Jupiter and the planet Sun is also in your reading. This talks about a healing, a prosperity, a abundance, a feeling of joy, happiness, contentment, and success coming to you in each and every area of your life, because Jupiter is, as I was telling you in the intro, is all about abundance, is all about expansion. Okay, and it's a very expansive energy, and with Sun coming here, which is the most positive energy, and Sun is all about life-giving energy, so you will fall in love with your own life now. Wow, I love this for you. Wow, even pile number 1 got Archangel Michael, so maybe you were drawn to pile number 1 also. This is Archangel Michael stepping in, and he is root chakra. Okay, he's shall we say, representing the root chakra here, and root chakra is all about survival. It's all about security and stability, because that's the basic of our needs. Okay, that's the basic of our emotions, to feel secure, to feel stable. Okay, and to survive, to live. Yeah, and that is a very, as I said, low energy to begin with, because that's the barest minimum that one expects. Okay, so now with the Sun shining here and with Jupiter blessing you, you're going to come out of this insecure, unstable energy, and you're going to find peace and harmony coming back into your life, in your finances, in your job and career, in your friendships, in your relationships, romantic ones, in your marriages, and in your family ships, also in your health, because this is a very abundant and healthy card. Okay, it detoxifies us. Okay, life-giving force. So I can see that you're coming out of this energy of feeling very insecure, and now you will start to prosper, and as you gain your confidence you will prosper more. Okay, and not just in terms of money. Prosperity is all about making you feel confident, making you feel worthwhile, having a high self-esteem, which in turn reflects into more coming to you to be grateful for. Love it for you, pile number 2. And your third card is intuition, and that's saying that listen to your inner wisdom. Okay, so these blessings that are coming into your life, pile number 2, you will be seeing signs, synchronicities, symbols in your everyday life. Be observant about what message you're receiving. Okay, be very observant to lyrics of a song that is playing on the radio, or a song that you keep wanting to hum. Okay, and or you may have a discussion with somebody, you may have a talk with somebody, or you may overhear a discussion where you pick up an idea which is useful for you, and it is like an epiphany which will open up more doors to give you that stability, security, that happiness that you're craving in life. Wonderful. Let's look at your final card, and you've drawn a full moon card, and today on the 19th of October, as I record this, is the full moon today. You are good enough. Exactly the energy I was picking up, where you felt low on confidence, okay, low in self-esteem, low in self-worth. Guess what? Jupiter is going to bless you with so many things, that because you're good enough, and you will start believing that you're good enough, because you'll get so many blessings from Jupiter, which will bring up your self-esteem, which will bring you back into a high self-worth and high self-confidence. I love this energy for you, pile number 2. If you resonate with this, do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and share my video on your social media. I'll see you soon. Namaste. All right, let me just clear this away. And I'll be ready for pile number 3. Okay. Welcome, pile number 3. As I was saying, Jupiter is a planet of expansiveness. Okay, so it's all about abundance, happiness, joy, good health, prosperity. And let's see pile number 3. What blessings is Jupiter bringing your way? And understand that today Jupiter goes direct, so you'll see this energy playing into your life within a few days, few weeks, or a few months also. So let's take your first card and see what energy, what archangel, angel, or ascended master is here with a message. And you have drawn Shekinah, and incidentally, can you see this beautiful crescent moon? Lovely. Sacred self, unleash your spirit, express your gifts, dance to the sacred rhythm of life. Okay, so this is to me straight away a very spiritual pile. Okay, so when I say that, it means that you're highly connected to the divine, whether you are practicing spirituality or not. You're very connected to the higher realms. You are very connected to spirituality. Some of you are even being spiritually awakened, activated, and a lot of you identify yourself as star seeds who are watching this pile. Okay, so the main message for you is about the sacred self. So it is about discovering who you are. What is your power? Why were you born on this earth? What is your purpose? What is your soul mission? What is your life purpose? So all the things that we often do not question when we are going about our everyday life. But because you're so spiritually inclined, these are the kind of questions which actually drive your routine life. Okay, so very interesting, and I would love to see what other messages come out for you. Beautiful. And I cannot lie about this. You've drawn the abundance card, and can you just have a look at all those beautiful bright colors? Jupiter is the planet which blesses us with abundance, prosperity, a good spouse, good love, true love in our lives. And when you have drawn this abundance card, it is in every area of your life which is going to experience this abundance. Abundance is not just money. Abundance is happiness, joy, and all those high vibrational feelings, emotions that make being a human worthwhile. Okay, so all that is Jupiter is bringing you major abundance. And you've got Archangel Uriel stepping into your reading, and he says become a peace ambassador. And it is so appropriate with the dove here, which is a symbol of peace, and you're being asked to be a peace ambassador. Now, who are you going to be a peace ambassador? Before you become a peace ambassador for others, you need to be your own peace ambassador. Make peace with the darker shadows inside you, because we all have light and dark within us. We have what is called the right and the wrong within us, the good and the bad within us. So you need to make peace with all those sides of you which may be dark. Okay, don't condemn yourself, because it is when you go into darkness, that is when you can draw in the light also which is within you, to shed light over the dark part of you. Okay, that is how we come into harmony within ourselves. So that is the peace ambassador message that I am getting for you, to be a peace ambassador for yourself. And the second is in your reality. If you can bring peace into any relationship that is strained, or is having there is a sort of a distance, emotional or physical, and that you would like to bring a little peace into. Okay, because if you are capable of giving, you should give. Okay, so if you can bring peace into a relationship, into a situation, into a circumstance, be the peace ambassador to make that change. Okay, because now you're looking at things from a very higher perspective, a very spiritual perspective, that when you go into higher consciousness, that is when you realize that this petty egoistic kind of talk or behavior, it does not really serve the purpose. We are all one. When you come from that perspective, you will understand that it's best to bless everybody with love and light, to send happy and good energy to people. And that is how you're bringing peace into a situation, relationship, or circumstance. Beautiful. This is a highly spiritual pile. You've drawn 7th chakra, which is the crown chakra, and Archangel Uriel. So you've got Archangel Uriel twice. Okay, this is the 7th chakra, which is all about excuse me, the crown chakra, where you are, which is the channel between you and the divine. As I said, you are highly connected with the divine realm, with the spiritual realm, and you're here to understand your purpose, your mission, and how you can bring peace and love into your own situation and into everybody else's life. And that's exactly why Uriel has come twice. And your last and final card, a new start is coming. Jupiter is blessing you with a new start, which is full of abundance, which is full of this soul expansion, which is full of understanding the reason, the divine plan, the divine, divine timing in your life, the divine expression of love and peace through you. I wish and pray that these energies work out for you soon, and I will see you soon. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Namaste.